Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Telegram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Telegram wallet PIN or your passcode. So this video is for people that have forgotten their Telegram wallet passcode or PIN, or you just want to change it. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's very much simple and easy. Just hop on your Telegram like this and open your wallet. So you can see I already have wallet open here. So I'm going to expand it. So I just need to tap on that to expand it. So on here, I tap on my profile, which is the M there. So I tap on that. Good. On this page, I tap on the passcode. You can see the passcode is on, meaning I have a passcode on my wallet. So before I access my wallet, I need to enter the passcode. So here, let's say I've forgotten my passcode. So I tap on the forgot passcode. So here they'll be sending me an email code in my Gmail I've linked on my Telegram account for me to reset my PIN on my wallet. So let's wait for some time for the code to come and then let's enter it and then we are good to go. So it's 003289. So I enter it here, I enter the code here, 003289, and then go. So on here, I need to set a new passcode. So I just need to enter a passcode for this. So 2025. And now let me confirm it by entering 2025 again. And now I've changed my passcode for my Telegram wallet. You can see passcode successfully set. You can even turn it off, or you can even change your recovery email. So before you can change your passcode, you need to have a recovery email on your Telegram account. So that's it. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.